channel PYT. In this video, we are going to see how we can do the network reset in Windows 11. So you will be doing the network reset whenever there is a internet related problem. For example, here I have been connected to the Wi-Fi, and if it is showing like no internet, or if not, even if I connected to the internet, if you're unable to browse anything, then you can do the network reset. So let's see how we can do the network reset. First, you need to go to the settings. Then in the settings, you need to go to the network and internet. And here you need to scroll down, then click on advanced network settings. And here, just scroll down. See, here you can see an option called as network reset. So this will reset all network adapters to factory settings. So the network reset will remove all network adapters and it brings the network components back to their original settings, means the factory settings. And this network reset will remove and reinstall all your network devices, including the Wi-Fi, Ethernet, Bluetooth and VPN adapters. It will also reset the network related settings such as the IP address, DNS, firewall, proxy and even the VPN configuration also. So now let me click on the network reset. So here it is showing like your PC will be restarted, and above that it's showing like this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other network components back to their original settings. Original settings means back to the factory settings. And you might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So if you are using any of these, then you need to reinstall it again. So now let me click on reset now. See, it's giving a pop-up as, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Yes. Then it is showing me a window like you are about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. So the Windows will be shut down in next couple of minutes, means in next 5 minutes. Shutdown will start on Friday, November. So it's a today's date, and the shutdown will happen at 12:16. Right now the time is 12:11. So let me click on close. And once the system has been restarted, then you can go to the Ethernet connection, or if not, then you can go to the Wi-Fi and you can connect back to the internet. So mostly this will resolve the problems related to the internet. So now my system will be restarted in next couple of minutes. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video, and for more videos please do subscribe our channel PYT.